Hi friends, this video shows how to automatically change lock screen wallpaper. First let me lock this phone, unlock, again lock, unlock. See, lock screen wallpaper is not changing automatically. I will show you how we can fix that issue. First let me log in. Then tap and hold anywhere on the home screen. Tap and hold. Go to wallpaper and style. Tap on change wallpapers. Go down. Tap on wallpaper services. Here you can see two wallpaper services, dynamic lock screen and Samsung Global Goals. Let me test this dynamic lock screen. Select dynamic lock screen, then tap on the settings icon. Here you can see dynamic lock screen wallpaper categories. Up to 5 categories we can select. So let me select this live. Please wait, it has to download. Okay, done. Wallpaper applied to lock screen. Then go back. Now I have enabled dynamic lock screen wallpaper. Let me test. Lock the phone, unlock. See, now lock screen wallpaper is changing automatically. Next I will show you how we can stop this. Again go to wallpaper services, select none, then tap on apply. Let me test. Lock the phone, unlock. See, now lock screen wallpaper is not changing automatically. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.